Hey guys, I've decided not to do any more recording of me building this because it's been so troublesome. So I'm just going to cut to a scene showing it running. Thanks for watching. Alright, so now I've come to this screen. I'm going to see what this does. Start up settings. Again, bring more video when something happens. It looks like all of the fans are working and up and running. There are two fans on the front of this thing. Hold on, I'll show you the picture in a minute. I'm trying to load in the disk for firing up the OS. But anyways, I'll give you a quick overview of this before I dive in too much. So there are two red LED fans right there. And then there's one more fan back here. I can't tell if you can see that or not. You should be able to see it now. And then of course there's a CPU fan right there. But this is great because now it's running. And I just need to figure out what I'm doing here now. Okay, so both of the RAM slots, as I grabbed the wrong mouse, right here, right there and right there, they're both being recognized. The processor is also being recognized, as you can see up here. Core i5-7400. The SATA cables are all connected to the hard drives and the disk drive. CPU voltage is just fine. And the temperatures. Both the discs, or not the discs, wait a minute. The hard drive isn't popping up. I have an HDD on here as well. Well, oh boy. Oh, here we go. So, I'm just gonna have this fire up on this. I have no idea what I'm working here. So... And like I said, I'll be cutting this out. What's RAID? I don't know what that is. So this is good. So what do I do now? Okay. I have no idea what's happening. Whoa. Okay. Oh, okay. So I just need to restart my computer then, from what I understand. Huh. There we go. Alright, so now I'm going to try firing this thing on again. Please work. This is what I just did. Oh, F11 for boot menu. Is that what I'm supposed to do? Okay, so I was here already. So I'm fine here then. So what does this do? Oh. Okay, well. This all should be fine then. What's this boot menu thing? Okay. Alright, so for whatever reason I've been redirected back to this page, so I'll try hitting escape this time. Which is I think what I just did earlier. Yep, it is. So, I don't know what to do here. I guess I'll see what advanced mode does then. It's working now. Yes! I have Windows now. Or it's working on it, at least. Huh. For some reason, I'm not really focusing on the Windows logo too well. And I'll put more video once something happens. And thus concludes my PC build. See you guys next video.